Welcome to our channel, How to Start a Tour Company. In this video, we're going to discuss effective tourism marketing strategies that will help elevate your travel business. In today's competitive tourism industry, having a robust marketing plan is crucial, whether you're operating a hotel, a tour company, or any other type of travel business. These strategies will help you attract more customers, increase bookings, and boost your revenue. We'll delve into various marketing tactics, from social media and content marketing to email campaigns and influencer partnerships. Additionally, we'll provide real-world examples and tips for implementation, so you can start seeing results right away. If you're ready to take your tourism business to new heights, make sure to watch this video until the end, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable tips and strategies to grow your business. Let's get started. 1. Understand your clients. Firstly, identify who your ideal customers are. Determine who they are, what motivates them to book, and their preferred booking methods. During this brainstorming process, consider questions like what makes them your ideal customer and why they want to travel. Where do they find information about their destinations? How do they prefer to make plans? What frustrates them about researching and booking? From your answers, you can create at least 3 customer profiles. Use these profiles to build your brand, website, and marketing plan. Keep in mind what makes your business unique and what drives you. You'll need to communicate this compellingly if you want to understand your customers better. 2. Ensure your website is functional. Your website is the hub of all your online marketing efforts. Therefore, you should regularly update it to improve user experience and increase conversion rates. Your site needs to be optimized if it doesn't perform well on mobile, is too cluttered, slow, or outdated. Perhaps you already have a functional and aesthetically pleasing site, but is it set up to attract traffic and drive sales? In that case, it might be beneficial to bring in an expert to help you make the right optimizations. 3. Focus on mobile. According to Think with Google, 48% of U.S. smartphone users are comfortable doing all their research, planning, and booking for a trip on their phones. The situation is similar in Europe, with 45% of travelers in the UK and 44% in France happy to plan and book their entire trip on their phones. What can we learn from this? That the mobile experience should be as good as, if not better than, the desktop experience. Users should be able to do everything on the mobile version of your website that they can on the PC version. The same study by Google found that 33% of mobile users have a negative view of a company if their mobile experience is slow. This highlights the importance of a smooth mobile experience. 4. Be social. Social media is one of the best ways for the tourism business to market itself, provided you choose the right platform where your customers are and develop a plan for each platform. Facebook. Facebook may be the top social media site for tour and activity companies to drive traffic to their website. It's a bustling social network, but with targeted ads and specific audience targeting, you can reach your potential customers. Here is a detailed explanation of how to excel on Facebook. Instagram. 1 billion people use Instagram every month, presenting a vast audience for your business. Moreover, Instagram's visual nature makes it an ideal platform to showcase destinations. In 2018, Instagram launched IGTV to facilitate vertical long-form videos on mobile devices. Since its inception, the platform has grown significantly because marketers and brands increasingly rely on mobile video content to boost engagement and conversion rates. 5. Live video marketing. Currently, video marketing is paramount, especially for travel brands. Prospective travelers often seek out videos of their desired destinations. However, they don't only want pre-recorded videos. Increasingly, people are watching live-streamed content. Research indicates that 82% of people prefer watching live videos over reading social media posts. By creating live videos, you can save on production costs and demonstrate your brand's authenticity. For example, the Hotel del Coronado in San Diego effectively uses live video streaming with a live beach cam, showcasing the fun awaiting visitors at the beach. They simply set up a camera and started streaming live. 6. Utilize email marketing. Your email list is a valuable marketing asset, arguably the most important one you own. It outperforms other marketing methods, such as social media and search. If you don't already have a functioning email list, you should start building one immediately. Include a sign-up form on your website to invite people to join your online community. From there, you can engage with them and convert them into paying customers. Here's what tour and activity providers need to know about email marketing. 7. Enable online bookings. According to Zion Market Research, the online travel booking market was valued at $765 billion in 2017 and is projected to reach $955 billion by 2026. Additionally, more than 57% of all travel bookings for hotels, tours, activities, flights, and other services are made online. Travelers can access abundant information and tools online to research, compare deals, and select the best options. To capture these bookings, your website needs to facilitate easy online booking. Consider integrating a booking system like PeakPro, the most popular booking system in the US and Europe. It can help you increase revenue and automate your daily booking tasks. Schedule a demo with one of their experts to learn how the app works and address any questions you may have. 8. Leverage reviews. Review sites like Yelp, TripAdvisor, and Google Local are excellent for establishing your online reputation. Consider joining one or two prominent review sites. Respond to all reviews, whether positive or negative, to show that you value and consider all feedback. Reviews enhance trust in your brand and products, and user-generated content can improve your website's ranking and drive more sales. 9. Maintain a consistent blog. Communicate with your customers through a blog. They want to hear from you and gain insights, which is the purpose of a blog. Blogs are an effective way to share stories, unique information about destinations, travel tips, and more. They also engage your audience and demonstrate your expertise. If you don't have a blog yet, create one and post regularly. 10. Optimize SEO. SEO is critical for tour and activity providers. Most travelers begin their journey planning with a Google search. They use search engines to find information about destinations, accommodations, transportation, activities, and more. If your products aren't on the first page of search results, potential customers might not find you. People joke that the second page of Google search results is the best place to hide something because no one looks there. Thus, it's essential to rank high in search results for your business and products despite the competition. Ranking high in Google search results for specific keywords is more valuable than a Facebook ad or a TV commercial. When people search for tours and activities in your area, they are likely to book with you if you appear at the top. Use a free SEO grader tool to assess how well your SEO efforts are performing and how you rank for specific terms. 11. Optimize your Google My Business listing. Regarding SEO, Google My Business, GMB, is an excellent starting point, especially for local SEO. GMB is a free tool that allows you to control how your business appears on Google Search and Google Maps. If you're unfamiliar with it, you can learn more about it here. GMB lets you add your business name, contact information, address, hours, photos, and more. You can also monitor and respond to customer reviews and see how and where people are searching for you. When people search for tours and activities near them, they are often ready to book the same day. Therefore, it's crucial to create and optimize a GMB listing. 12. Focus on experiential marketing. As mentioned earlier, we live in an experience economy where interactive marketing is the norm. Experiential marketing allows customers to experience your brand rather than just advertising your tours and products to a broad audience. It's also known as engagement marketing, enabling people to connect with brands personally. Brands use real branded materials to showcase their offerings and values. Millennials initiated experiential marketing, and it's expected to grow. Experiential marketing works well not only with younger customers but also with older ones. An excellent example of experiential marketing is Travel Wisconsin's campaign. They helped potential visitors envision themselves engaging in various activities by placing local events like tubing on funhouse mirrors in high-traffic areas like bus stops. As you can see, experiential marketing differs from traditional methods like print ads or commercials. Instead of spreading your message through standard advertising, you allow people to interact with and enjoy your brand. In conclusion, implementing these tourism marketing strategies can significantly impact your travel business's success. By creating a robust online presence, targeting the right audience, and providing valuable content and experiences, you can attract more customers and increase your bookings. Remember, the tourism industry is highly competitive, but with the right marketing plan, you can stand out and achieve your business goals. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more valuable content.